Hey, good morning, All Stars. Welcome to All-in-One Profits. My name is Bobby. I'm the founder of the Rotator Club Team Build. I want to make a quick video showing you why I think All-in-One Profits is the best online business out there right now. Okay, this is the first page you come to when you click the link. I'm going to put a link below this video, and you don't have to join to get all the information about All-in-One Profits. It's going to take you to this page. Here's the join link, but before you join, you can look at the products, the pay plan, ton of information here you can look at, and I'd be happy to share all the information I know about it. If you contact me, I'll put my email below this video too if you have any questions about our team build and what we can do for you to help you build your business. But if you're looking for an online business, there's a couple of reasons why I joined this one. I mean, I have been in other online businesses before, and one of the things that attracted me to this was the affordability. But not only the affordability, what's very important when you're sharing a business with somebody, there's a couple of things they're looking for. One of the main things they're looking for is that it has products that have value, okay? These people over-delivered on the value. All-in-One Products over-delivers on the value for the cost of the program. I'll show that to you now. If you go to the Products tab, right, it's going to bring you to this page. You scroll down. This is the basic level products. These are the $10. When you join for $10, this is what you get. You see here premium web hosting. Okay, guys, we actually have a team page called totalteambuilder.com. It's actually hosted on All-in-One Profits, and I had it hosted on there at the $10 level. I've since upgraded, but we're all joining at the basic level when you join our team build. I don't recommend, upgrading until you have at least 5 or 10 people in your downline, But let's see, you got premium web hosting. Like I said, our team page is actually hosted on All-in-One Profits. Okay, you get an autoresponder. Okay, unlimited campaigns, unlimited autoresponders, unlimited follow-ups, unlimited subscribers, how-to videos. Okay, easy unsubscribe link. It's a nice autoresponder. Okay, it's not as fancy looking as some of the ones, but the deliverability, which is the most important thing, in my opinion, is as good as GetResponse, which I had GetResponse and I got rid of it when I joined this. You also have a splash page builder, a tracker, okay, a link rotator, a downline builder. You also have PLR products. Okay, guys, all of that for $10. Let me show you the pay plan. I think you agree with me though that for $10, man, this is unbelievable. I was paying 20 something dollars for GetResponse just for the autoresponder. And most of these autoresponders out there, as you get more subscribers, the price goes up. This one doesn't. Let's go to the pay plan. Okay, this is called an an even up system. Okay, here's an illustration. Okay, this is your sponsor, this is you. As you're recruiting, you get one recruit, you keep them. Your second one goes to your sponsor. You get your third, you keep them. Your fourth one goes to your sponsor. Very simple. You keep all the odd number of recruits, and your sponsor gets all the evens. Okay, that sounds like that's a little rough, when you're first starting out. But watch what happens, guys. I mean, this pay plan is amazing. And what we've done at the Rotator Club. Well, let me walk you through it here. Now, if this is you, where your sponsor was, and these are your referrals. The same thing is going to happen for you. Remember that first referral you had? She keeps her first, the second one passes to you. She keeps her third, the fourth one goes to you, and so on, infinitely wide and infinitely deep. Okay, you can build this big business as big as you want. It's really up to you. It's fairly simple to promote because of the price point and the value. Okay, and one of the other reasons I joined this company was because of the stability. Guys, they've been paying as promised for 6 years now, operating debt-free. This is a real company. We all know what's going on online with some of these businesses. I mean, they fly by night. You don't even get a warning. You go to log in and the whole company's gone, This company's not like that. The support is excellent with this company. I've put in a couple of support tickets. When I first joined, I didn't really understand a couple of things. They get back to you right away. And they get back to you and they speak to you like you're a member of the family, okay? The support is really great. The owners are great. It's just all around, I mean, it's just a winner, man. It's just a winner. And the team build we put together, the idea, nobody's doing it the way we're doing it, guys. You got to take a look. So this is how it works, right? All the even ones pass up to you. Now, all these guys that are getting passed up to you, when they start recruiting, they're going to start passing people up to you. You understand how this could all of a sudden start exploding? You know, once you get 10 people passing people up to you, it gets pretty exciting, guys. And so that's the pay plan, basically. I mean, if you have any questions about it, I'm always available, especially to my teammates, you know. So I can walk you through it. I can help you get set up. You know, we have a website, like I said, a company website. It's called totalteambuilder.com. It's going to help you get set up with team capture pages, team email series, a follow-up series. Okay, we have like banners in there and stuff like that you can use. A whole bunch of stuff. There's a whole bunch of stuff in there, man. Videos walking you through everything. Okay, it's totalteambuilder.com if you want to take a look at that. And I'm looking forward to working with you guys, man. You know what? We just started last month. We have a Facebook group. The link is in there too. It's in totalteambuilder.com. You'll find a Facebook group link in there too. All right, guys. So like I said, my name is Bobby. I'm looking forward to working with you guys. I'm the founder of the Rotator Club, and I'll see you inside. Thanks, guys.